Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I have a review video of Mario Badescu skincare. Now if you guys have watched my unboxing, like the Beauty Bay unboxing video that I did, I purchased some Mario Badescu skincare products and I said that I'm gonna do a review video afterwards once I've tried the products for a good few weeks, and here I am testing and sharing with you guys, not testing, just sharing, great, sharing with you guys the products that I have tested in the past. There we go. So altogether I've ordered 4 products and I'm gonna talk you through all of the 4 products and tell you guys like the highlights and the advantages of the products. But first of all, as I said also in my last video, that Mario Badescu skincare is a brand that I was very interested, very excited to try. I have heard so many good reviews about the company, about the brand. Obviously, as a skincare lover, it makes me very excited to go and test these products by myself and to get the experience how the products work and so on. And the first product that I'm gonna talk to you would be like how I do with the routine is the Acne Facial Cleanser. Now this cleanser exfoliates dead skin cells that can clog pores and lead to breakouts with the power of salicylic acid. Now this cleanser is, as the name says, is acne cleanser. The main formula would be salicylic acid, which is the perfect and the most convenient ingredient you have in a cleanser to get rid of acne. Now I personally don't suffer with acne, thank God, but I do like to use a salicylic acid contained product to prevent acne, if it makes sense. And this is amazing. The way I like to use is I just wet my face, take some little bit onto my hands, I would rub it like a soap or a hand wash and just go straight to my face. I really make sure to exfoliate around my cheeks, around my nose and the forehead as well. And it is really easy to wash it off. Just take some warm water and just wash it off, and your skin doesn't feel tight, which is good. It really cleanses, very exfoliates, as the bottle says, the skin, which I personally love, and it makes the skin very clean and ready to moisturize. That's what I love about this product. And you get 177 ml in this, which is 6 fluid ounces, will last you a very long time. And also it doesn't have a very heavy scent. It smells very normal, very like salicylic acid, how it would smell. And it is also cruelty free, which is great. And honestly, absolutely loving this, so highly recommend you guys to go and check it out. Since I know that you use so many different cleansers, but the one cleanser that I would just say to go and to test it out, it also would be very basic step in your routine, would be the Acne Facial Cleanser. So highly recommend you guys to go and check it out. So once my face is clean and cleansed, the next step would be moisturizing. Now this would be the Hyaluronic, I can't say that word, Hyaluronic Moisturizer. There we go. This moisturizer has also got SPF 15, which is amazing, and not normally all moisturizers have SPF, so this one does. And this hydrates the skin while providing the SPF, and it has sesame seed oil to protect and then dry skin and providing intense moisture. Now I have used so many moisturizers in the past, and I have never ever had a moisturizer which is so moisturizing onto the skin, which honestly lasts all day. You would see that your skin is moisturized all the time. I freaking love this product. This doesn't smell like anything, which is great, and it is yellowish and the top, also the cream, but once you rub it onto your face the yellow goes away. And It applies very nicely, very softly, very smooth, and it absorbs very quickly as well, but it doesn't leave your face very greasy or sticky, which I hate. So it doesn't do that, which is amazing. And also it is easy to use, since the packaging, if you just twist it like this open, you can take as many or as little as you want, depending on your face or on your mood basically, or how dry your face is. Nowadays I suffer from dryness around my cheeks area, especially I have the beard and it is cold, but this moisturizer helped me a lot to make these areas very nourished, very moisturized, and just amazing, honestly. And it is also perfect if you use makeup. Your foundation applies very smoothly and perfectly as well. And yeah, highly recommend you guys to go and check this out. And I'm pretty sure they had different moisturizers as well, but the one that I love a lot would be this one. So this, together with the Acne facial wash, is just an acne treatment starter kit for your face. So if you're in your teenage years, or if you want to start your skincare routine, then I would highly suggest you guys to go and check out the cleanser and this moisturizer. I'm gonna leave a link down below, as well as all the products that I'm gonna mention in this video. The next product is a very interesting product. Now I use this once I cleanse. So I use the cleanser, then I use this, and then I'm gonna use the moisturizer. That's my skincare or current skincare routine is. It is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. This product is very interesting because this rejuvenates your skin, it hydrates the skin as well, it makes it very like nourished, and it calms the skin. I really like to use this once I shave. I'll take a little bit of spritz on my cheek area, and my face kind of feels calm. It's very weird. I don't know if it's just like a gimmick product, but I really like to use this. Also, I like to use it once I've done my makeup or something like that. And you can use it for your hair and your face and for your neck. So the neck, especially if you guys shave, top tip, use this around your neck and you won't get any kind of this razor burns. As I said, it calms the skin. And also there is another one, it comes in a green bottle, which is like the cucumber version, but I managed to get my hands on the rose water, and also it smells so nice. Now the mist, let me show you guys. The mist is so nice, very luxurious, and I love it. It does say if the product gets into your eyes, rinse well with warm water, but just close your eyes while you use it, so that would be no problem. And I really like this. So you don't have to use this, but if you want some extra moisture and some extra help, then this would be great. Now moving on to the last product. Now the product that Mario Badescu is known for or has gone popular would be the drying lotion. Now the drying lotion is a very unique product. It is a treatment product for spots. So the way you use this is you take a cotton pad, stick it inside to get the powder, which is a pink powder, just in here, and then you take it out. While you take it out, the excess comes down, and you take the, obviously it's gonna get wet with this water here. I don't know what this is, might be alcohol, and together with this you just put it onto the spots and you sleep with it, and the next day your spot is completely dry. And I have seen a huge difference by this. Honestly, as I said, I had a massive spot around my cheek area, just in here. So I've used this up, and the spot is nearly gone basically. Now if you guys can see, there is nothing in there, and it doesn't leave any residues or blemishes or marks afterwards. It just helps to calm the face, reduces the spots, and just is a wonder product, I would say. And it does say to do not shake this, so just be very gentle with it, because you don't want to mess this up. and it is amazing. Honestly, it does. The only downside with this would be just if you have any open pores, do not use this because it will burn the hell out of you, because it is very harsh product, so it will just burn. So my advice would be not to use this on open pores and just use it on dry pores or dry spot areas that you have or you just want to get rid of, and it will help you a lot. So yeah, so this was my review video. Now honestly guys, I've been never ever so surprised or so excited about the skincare brands such as Mario Badescu. Honestly, their products just blown my mind. Absolutely amazing. Highly recommend you guys to go and check it out. I have used so many skincare brands such as, I don't want to tell you guys any names, but these products or this particular brand has been blown my mind, and I'm really excited to test out more products. And it's not that other skincare brands are bad, but these were really amazing and they helped my skin a lot. Now I don't know if you guys can see a difference on my face. Now my face is very, if I say so myself, flawless, very amazing, and I love it at the moment. So I'm really happy how my skincare is, and this is also my current skincare, hopefully, till I run out of products. So I'm gonna definitely go and check out more Mario Badescu skincare products. And yeah, also there will be an offer as well, so have an eye online, such as in Beauty Bay, instead of going and buying it in stores. So yeah, this was this review video. I hope you guys all liked it and enjoyed it. If you have tried any Mario Badescu skincare products in the past, do let me know your experience in the comments down below. Follow me on my social networks, everything will be linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you back. I'm uploading twice a week, which is Thursdays and Sundays. I have nothing else to say except thanks so much for watching, and until next time I will see you all in my next video. Bye!